Because, implementing, transitioning a curriculum requires a lot of attention and a lot of resources. It also requires a certain level of commitment, especially from government and the leaders of the country. What you notice clearly is that that commitment is not there. The funding to the institutions that are supposed to oversee the implementation of the curriculum is very low and very poor. The focus of the government on the implementation of the curriculum is very poor. Let me share this, and I hope there's nothing here that breaches the Official Secrets Act. That at the end of our administration, just before we handed over, the last meeting I had during the second cabinet meeting that President Ruto had, with the old cabinet, as I was leaving, he asked me what I'm going to do. I said, I want to take a break for about a year and then figure out how to move on with my life.